Allah created us as human beings, and we thank Allah for that. Allah has favored us in many ways, and we thank Allah for that. One of the ways He has favored us is that He has given us a brain that is more advanced than the brains of the other creatures that He has made on earth. And another way that He has favored us is that He has given us a posture that is, by His own challenge, the best of postures. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. Indeed, we have created mankind in the best of postures. Wherever we have put His limbs, His organs, that is the best possible place for that particular organ or limb. And I've always said, think about another place to put your eyes. Think about another place to put your thumb. Think about another place to have your fingernails. Think about another place to put your mouth, your lips, your ears. You will never ever, by the challenge of Allah Almighty, you will never ever be able to come up with a better place to put these organs and limbs than what Allah has already placed for you.